Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi and I'm with Nati.
Hi.
And for today, seeing that the lockdown level has actually gone down a bit, we decided to leave the house. Level 2. So this is our little vlog of what we're going to do today.
Yes, going on a road trip.
Yeah.
Getting out of the house.
Yeah. So we want to share this journey with you guys. So see in a bit, we'll just literally show you everything that we did today. That means that I won't be doing any translations for this week. It'll be next week, right? So keep on sending your translations. That'll be for next week. But for today, it's just us on a road trip.
Yes.
See you soon.
Yeah. We're still in the city. So now we're going to go and get something to eat. Oh, now we are going to Chicken Licken for some breakfast food. I don't know if Chicken Licken is actually breakfast food, but I am so gonna have it as breakfast food. So yeah. Ooh, look at the line. My goodness. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, there's a long line. Chicken Licken. Food, food, food. Glorious food. This is road food. Yeah.
Welcome to Chicken Licken, Mr. Jordan.
Hi, how's it?
Good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. Can we please get a party 16?
We are collecting our food.
Hello.
Okay.
Good day. I really appreciate it, ne?
Thank you.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Food, food, food. Now we open for the glorious food. Ooh, look at this one. Look at that goodness. Yummy morning food. I love Chicken Licken. It's really nice. Okay, so the official journey has started. We are going towards Krugersdorp and we are going to Hartbeespoort Dam. So yeah, we'll show you the dam when we get there. And there's a lot of people on the way, by the way. And we are going to get there in 36 minutes. It's 42 kilometers from where we are at the moment. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get there. But I'll give you a little snippet of, ooh, look at them. A little snippet of the road as we go along. Ooh, look at those buildings. Look at those people on their bikes. Okay. Getting there. We're almost at the dam. I'm so excited. So we're almost there. We can smell the water. Yes. Wow, there we go. Ah, look, people are having so much fun. Look at that. People are having barbecues or braais. Look at that, just chilling and having some fun by the water. I like that. And here is the entrance. There's the entrance to Schoeman's. I don't even know how to say it. So there's the entrance. And here.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
And then gate opens. And
That's
here,
the dam right in front of us.
there's the dam there. Oh, okay. And then we are turning. We're going to find parking, and then we're going to sit down and be able to speak to you guys. See you now.
Okay, we are finally here by the dam. You want ice cream? You want ice cream?
Yes, I wanted, but then I remembered it's a roller.
Oh! Say hello! Ah, that's my beautiful wife right there. Yay! So this is Harties. Well, we decided to take an outing today and see how it is.
Yes, so we're here at Hartebeespoort.
Yes, I can pronounce it still. It's our first time out.
Yeah,
it's our first outing.
Yes, or you can say Harties.
Yeah, Harties is short.
Yeah. So we're here by the water, and we're so excited. I'm so excited. I can't put my feet in there because it's so dirty.
And people are still cleaning it. I see there's a guy over there trying to remove the weeds from the river.
Why did you start TWI Junior?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there are two versions, right? There's the free one and the paid one. So a cousin of mine had a kid. Then what happened is they came to the house and they couldn't even speak TWI. Then seeing that I have a software development background, and I decided why not write an app that will help people, right? So I did TWI Junior, which is the free one. It was always supposed to be free, right? But then it has ads at the bottom, which I can't say I make money from. I rarely make money because nobody clicks on it, so it's pointless, right? So a lady once told me that her child actually went and clicked on one of those ads and showed some inappropriate stuff, and I don't have control over that. So I decided to make the pro version, right? Which won't have ads, and the one thing is I try to make it better than the free one. But then the pro one is actually relatively cheap. It's less than $1. In South African rands, like 5 rand. That won't even buy you bread. That's how cheap I made it. So it's like 5 rands so that anyone can actually get it. And the other question that people keep on asking me is, why is it so big? Because it's like 100 megs now and it's still going to grow, right? I could make it like 10 megs, right? Now the problem is with that, right? If you don't have internet connection, it won't work. So hence I bundled it together so it's on your machine. As big as it is, you can have it, you can play it, you can do whatever with it without needing internet connection. That's why it's big. So I hope people actually appreciate that rather than having to download a small little app that needs internet connection. So yeah, that's why I built it, and that's why I made the 2 apps. So technically I'm not really gaining anything. I'm just trying to get people to learn the language or try and make it popular as best as I can, because one has to know the language. It can't just disappear like that. So that's why.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
At least I'm benefiting from it,
Yeah,
which is good.
We are finally done with the dam, so we have one more stop. So the main attraction here was actually Little Paris. So we'll be heading to Little Paris. It's our little version of Paris. So we'll take videos of the journey. When we get there, we'll take videos of the surrounding areas as well as the Eiffel Tower. Thanks for continuing watching. We'll see you guys soon.
Okay, now we are done at the dam, so now we are actually going to Little Paris. So you guys are gonna see our own little Eiffel Tower. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, the little tip of the Eiffel Tower. So we are here, Little Paris. Let's just hope they haven't reached the maximum for the day for us to actually get in. Oh wow, look at that. People are going out. Entrance to Hartbeespoort Hartbeespoort Dam. Little Paris. Little Paris. We are here to spend some money. Yeah. Done and we are leaving, so we're going home. We'll chat to you when we get home.
Guys, thanks again for watching. We are truly exhausted, right? And please remember, if you like the content of the channel, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell button for future notifications. Please do spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn TWI come to this channel, and if they enjoy it, they can actually subscribe to the channel. We are hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are almost there. We have less than 100, so please guys, keep on subscribing, right? And remember, the coronavirus is not about you, it's about the next person, so please be safe.
Yes.
With that, guys, with lots of love from Nati and me. Bye.
Bye. See you at our next adventure.
Yes. All right. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye.